So hi gentlemen, today we'll talk about the physics for NDA. See, as we all know that physics comes under the second paper, which is general ability test, and it consists around 25 questions, which is of 100 marks. Let's see about the study material. You can see this book, which is of physics, which is specially made for the NDA, which is of MKC publication. MKC stands for Major Kalshi Classes Private Limited, which is situated at Allahabad. What is the specialty of this book? We can see this. It has got chapter wise practice sets according to current pattern of NDA NA examination and chapter wise collection of previous year questions asked in NDA NA from year starting from 2012 to 2015. Let's talk about this book in brief. As I have already told you, this is of MKC publication, Major Kalshi Classes Allahabad, one of the renowned defense training institute. You can reach to this institute. This is the address, corporate office and academic block, Shapat 105 by 244, Tagore Town near Colonelganj Inter College, Allahabad. Or you can also call on these numbers. Let's talk about this. This book starts with the content which every book has got. Okay, but the specialty of this book is this thing, the trend analysis. In this trend analysis part, a candidate gets a fair idea about the number of questions asked in the different NDA examinations from the different chapters. Like we see the very first chapter, unit measurement and dimensions. In 2015, in first NDA examination there was only one question. In 2014, in second NDA examination there were two questions. In motion of objects, three questions were asked in 2015 in second NDA. In 2014 second NDA, two questions. So this entire analysis gives a candidate a fair idea about the number of questions asked in the different chapters and which chapters to focus much and which chapter should be given the least importance. Because I think it is also not so important to have a brief study about each and everything. Now the next part is teaching plan at MKC. As I have already told you, Major Kalshi Classes is one of the defense training institute which has got its own name and fame. It provides you 6-month course if you want to prepare for the National Defense Academy examination, and the entire syllabus is divided into 3 months. You can see first month, second month, 3 month, and in this 3 months there were set of chapters which is being taught to you in a very clear manner. Let's talk about the second thing. Then comes your 4th, 5th, 6th, and then we talk about the very first chapter, unit measurement dimensions. This book has got some basic introduction about the chapter, detailed analysis, a briefing about the concepts, important formulas. This you can see, and then you will find some questions, exercise, in which you won't find 1, 2 or 3 questions. You find around 50-60 questions on each chapter, a detailed exercise. And one more thing which is very important, you get previous year question paper also, previous year questions which is being asked in previous NDA examinations. So you can go through these questions and you can have a better idea about how many type of questions they can ask you in different NDA examinations. Okay, the same pattern we have followed for the different chapters, and this is very detailed book which you can go through. But what is best about these books? See, this is the physics book for the English medium students, but at the same time we have provided you the Hindi medium book also with the same concept, with the same thing. Let's talk about this book. This is also the same. The difference is only about the language. That book is in English and this one is Hindi. If somebody is appearing in NDA and he want to understand the things in Hindi medium, he can also go through these books and he can read all these things. Everything is in Hindi and there is no difference between English and Hindi books. So I think this is one of the best book if you want to crack the NDA in your first attempt, as physics is one of the most important part of the general ability test which can help you to get around 60 to 70 marks if you have good command over these physics. So you can go through this book and you can buy this book going through the website www.mkcpublication.in. You can also get yourself enrolled in the coaching which is known as Major Kalshi Classes Private Limited, Allahabad. You can register yourself. The website is www.majorkalshiclasses.com, or you can call on toll free number 1800 313 2004. All the best, gentlemen.